Warmest greetings to Dr. Caroline. I am Farah Elena from Group 7. Me and my group members will be presenting our group project that covers in designing interactive system. I am the leader of this group and these are my team members.
In research background, we highlighted 4 different sections. First is the introduction, second is the challenges, third is the problem's importance, and finally, the study objectives. So, in introduction, in today's digital era, Labuan Voyages is the prime portal for exploring Labuan Island, the Pearl of Borneo. This user-friendly website highlights Labuan's appeal as a duty-free haven and holiday destination, offering information on accommodations, shopping, tourist attractions, and transportation. It also provides guides to the island's history, cultural landmarks, outdoor activities, and investment opportunities. Emphasizing Labuan's commitment to sustainability, Labuan Voyages is an essential tool for anyone looking to visit or invest in the island. Moving on to problems. A well-designed website is crucial for users as it serves a primary source of information and interaction. Travelers rely on websites to plan trips, find accommodation, and gather essential destination details. A user-friendly website provides comprehensive, organized information, saving time and enhancing the overall experience. It acts as a virtual guide with maps, itineraries, and insider tips. A professional, easy-to-navigate website builds trust and credibility with features like user review and high-quality images, encouraging deeper engagement. Therefore, the challenges that we identify were, firstly, lack of navigation that guides users to specific places, and secondly, the absence of reviews on duty-free products and shops. So based on the two challenges that we identified just now, the problem's importance for the first one is it's difficult for visitors to find specific information on attractions, accommodations, and services, causing frustration and inefficient planning. Secondly, visitors lack valuable insight, leading to uncertainty and reduced trust, diminishing Labuan's duty-free appeal. Finally, for study objectives, the first study objectives that we implement is to enhance the navigation of the website. This objective focuses on improving the user interface and the user experience design to make the website more intuitive and easier to navigate. The second study objective is to incorporate user reviews for duty-free products and shops. This objective aims to integrate user-generated content, specifically reviews and ratings, for the duty-free products and shops. This can provide valuable insights for other users and improve the overall shopping experience. Thirdly, for the study objective, it is to improve the overall user experience. This objective is dedicated to enhancing all aspects of the user's interaction with the website, from the design and layout to the speed and performance, with the goal of making the website more user-friendly and enjoyable to use.
In this group project, we use gamification strategies and augmented reality to improve the user interface of the tourism website for Labuan. So in order to achieve this, we apply the design thinking methodology. The methods that are used in getting the user requirements include interviews and survey. Meanwhile, the method used to gain user feedback is participant-based evaluation. Our group has conducted 3 interview sessions targeting local and tourists, including Amir Faisal, Aisha Rahman, and also Farhan Iskandar. These interview sessions have given us important information that will help us decide which features and functionalities are to be included on the website. For the survey, it consists of 16 questions designed in alignment with the design thinking methodology, which are emphasize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. This aims to capture a broader range of user experiences and preferences. With this, we receive a total of 36 responses. The proposed design will be further discussed.
Hi guys, my name is Jiwei and today I'll be discussing the principle of visibility as applied to the Labuan Voyages website. So, visibility is a fundamental principle in the web design that ensures elements are prominently displayed so users can easily locate them and understand their functions. This principle is crucial for reducing the user's cognitive load and enhancing their overall experience on the website. Let's take a look at the home page. We see a clear prominent navigation menu at the top, featuring options such as home, accommodation, places to visit, transportation, and food hunt. This makes it easy for users to see their options at a glance. The call to action buttons like Explore Now and Search are designed to stand out with contrasting colors and large size, indicating important actions users can take. Also, the search bar positioned in the middle is easily accessible, allowing users to quickly find specific information. Secondly, consistency is a fundamental principle in web design that ensures uniformity in the visual and functional aspects of a website. This includes maintaining a consistent layout, color scheme, typography, and interaction patterns. By doing so, users can easily navigate and interact with the site, recognizing familiar elements and behaviors, which reduces confusion and learning time. The typography and color scheme remains consistent across both pages. The use of the same fonts and color palettes helps create a cohesive visual experience, making the website look professional and well organized. Both pages feature the same navigation menu at the top, with options like home, accommodation, places to visit, transportation, and also food hunt. This consistent placement and design ensures users always know where to find key navigation options. Familiarity is a key principle in web design that involves using elements and interaction patterns that users are already accustomed to. The layout of the accommodation page is designed using common web design conventions. It features a grid layout for displaying different accommodation options, each with an image, name, brief description, and a call to action button like Book Now or Learn More. This familiar format allows users to easily browse and select accommodations. The page also incorporates recognizable icons and buttons. For example, the use of magnifying glass icons for search and a calendar icon for booking dates are common and easily understood by users. These familiar icons enhance the usability of the site. Affordance in web design refers to the properties of an element that suggests how it should be used. It involves designing elements in a way that makes their intended functions obvious and intuitive to users. The layout of the page also uses visual cues to guide the user. The image of the island and the text describing destinations are arranged in a way that naturally draws the user's eye to the call to action button, reinforcing its affordance. The text Discover Now provides a clear and immediate instructions on what will happen when the button is clicked, reducing any ambiguity about its purpose. That's all for me. Now I will pass to the next presenter, Yani. Thank you.
Next is navigation. The food hunt section of the website is dedicated to helping visitors explore different culinary experiences in Labuan. To enhance navigation and make it easier to users to find restaurants based on their preference. The page is organized into specific categories. These categories include Malay, Bar, Seafood, Chinese, and Indian. Each category represents a different type of cuisine or dining experience, allowing users to quickly identify and select their desired food type. The accommodation section on the Labuan Voyage website lets users search for both extended and daytime stays. Users can narrow down their search by selecting check-in dates and specifying the numbers of rooms and alerts. The design is user-friendly with easy-to-use tabs and input fields, making it simple to find the right accommodation. Next is feedback. The What Customers Say About Us button on the Labuan Voyage website show user reviews and ratings. Customers leave text feedback with a star rating out of 5. The reviews shown have 5-star rating indicating high satisfaction. Next is recovery. The message "Are you sure you want to confirm this booking?" in the dialog box helps user avoid accidental bookings. It allows user to either proceed or cancel, giving them control over their decision. This reassures user that the system is designed to accommodate their needs and potential mistakes.
In addition, constraint. This website interface categorizes restaurants in Labuan into 5 options: Malay, seafood, Chinese, India, and bar. This simplifies the decision-making process for users looking for a place to eat by giving them a clear starting point. The categories provide a structure for the information and make it easy for users to find what they are looking for. The use of limited categories in the website user interface design help users make decisions more easily by reducing overwhelming choice. Next, flexibility. The website shows flexibility in choosing dates and options for day use or overnight stay. The website user interface designed to facilitate flexible booking options for a hotel. It clearly presents 2 choices per request: overnight and day use. Each option has its own calendar that allows users to specify their desired duration of stay. Additionally, a guest selection section enables users to indicate the number of guests. A prominent search button encourages users to confirm their selection and proceed to view available accommodation based on their criteria. Furthermore, style. The user interface has a clean and aesthetic design with well-chosen color, font, and spacing that enhance the user experience. Text is easy to read with clear labels for different sections and features. The elements are logically arranged, making navigation and finding information effortless. The minimalized design is user-friendly, avoiding clutter and focusing on clear presentation. The clean visuals go beyond functionality, elevating the user experience. The interface presents a limited number of categories or options, reducing the decision fatigue and helping user focus. Clear button guide user towards the next step within a visually appealing framework. Last but not least, conviviality. The text on the website is written in clear and concise language. The text says, "Explore Labuan, a world of wonder," which is easy to understand and inviting. This can make users feel welcome and comfortable as they navigate the site. The website menu consists of only 5 clear categories: home, accommodation, place to visit, transportation, and food hunt. This can make the site feel less overwhelming and more approachable for users. Overall, the use of warm color and friendly imagery and clear language contribute to a convivial atmosphere on this website. This can make users feel welcome and comfortable as they browse the site to learn more about Labuan.
Okay, so of course, having designing a tourism website is to solve the problems, reducing the mental workload, and creating engaging emotional experiences among our respective users. So there are 4 main categories in terms of solving this kind of problem. So for the first one, it's about tourist attractions. Basically, it is an undeniable fact that some travelers are left feeling lost or confused when they are visiting a new place, as the information about that particular region is vague. Based on the information obtained from interviews, the interviewees have requested to have a travel website that provides detailed information about the attractions in Labuan, with information available to travelers. Travelers can visit Labuan in a more relaxed state, as preparations and trip planning can be done before visiting Labuan. And there comes the second category, which is real-time review system. According to the feedback received from the interviews, Labuan is in need of a system that showcases real-time reviews and recommendations from travelers. Therefore, we have decided to implement a review system for the travelers to read through on the website. so they can decide whether it is worth it to visit that particular place. For example, a first-time traveler will choose an accommodation to stay in based on the reviews given by other travelers. And there comes the third category, which is interface designs. Based on the interview conducted before, the interviewees prefer a modern-looking design that is refreshing for the users. Therefore, our team has decided to go with an interface design that uses images as backgrounds and proper color contrasts for the prototype. With a user-friendly interface design incorporated into our prototype, the problem of users' mental workload can be solved eventually, as they can focus on the main content in a page. And last but not least, the fourth one will be users' engagement. According to the feedback obtained from the interviews, users' engagement is essential to ensuring their travel experience in Labuan is memorable. Thus, we have decided to incorporate some gamification techniques with augmented reality technology into our prototype design. Although Labuan may be less recognizable among Malaysians and non-Malaysians, with the ability of our tourism website to provide an engaging experience, surely they will be left with a nice experience in Labuan. So as everyone can see here, this will be the landing page of our Labuan tourism website, Labuan Voyages. And this is the accommodation landing page. So you can see there's overnight and day use options here. And when you click on the search, you can choose your accommodation here, Labuan, and view your room here. And if there's any suitable or unsuitable rooms, you can just go out and then choose another hotel or accommodation. After you have decided on a respective accommodation, you can kindly click the book button and then just click for pay, and then there's a confirmation button here, yes or no. If you click yes, it will show that your booking is successful. And then proceed to places to visit, and then this will be the landing page. And then from here, you can basically see the tourist attractions introduced or recommended here. Clicking explore now, and then we will proceed into the home page of a tourist attraction. And then when you click around, you can see like the photos, the scenery photos, the activities you can find there. And AR technology, there's some gamification features added into the AR, like information features and some mini games that you can earn your points there. Proceeding to the package price. So when you click into see more, you can see the two types of package, which is a 1 day island hopping and 2 days 1 night trip, and then there's the detailed information written there. Okay, going up by clicking this button, and then proceeding to reviews. You can see what our visitors say after they have visited our Nusukan Island. Proceeding to transportation, this will be the landing page, and then by clicking check it out, we will proceed into the home page of this particular category. Then there will be a motorcycle rental, van rental, and of course car rental as well. And from there you can click on the reviews of the respective car owner or car company. And last but not least, proceeding to food hunt. And then there will be seafood category, Chinese food category, Indian food category, Malay food category, and bar sectors. So when the users click onto one of the photos, it will show their signature dish there. And clicking explore now, you can see there's a gamification mini games there as well. The same goes to Chinese food, their signature dish, JJ Nasa signature dish, shawarma, ayam penyet, and cocktail, which they serve at this particular restaurant. So basically that's all for our prototype presentation. So thank you.
For this evaluation of this project, we use a participant-based evaluation because the focus area for this participant-based evaluation is the first, identify usability problems, the second, collect qualitative feedback, third, monitor navigation behavior, and the last one is assess overall satisfaction. And the objective for this participant base is highlight areas for improvement and enhance user satisfaction and efficiency. So for this participant based evaluation, we conduct with 3 respondents, and from these 3 respondents we gather the data and feedback through the specific questions. So the question has 5 questions. So the 5 questions that we asked to the 3 respondents is, the first, we asked about the useful of the key features and the functionality of the website. The second is we asked about the overall visual of the website. The third is we asked about what did they like most about the website and what did they like least about the website. So next question is we asked about, do they likely to use this website in the future? And the last question is we asked about how to improve the website to provide a better overall experience as a user. So from the 5 questions that we asked to the 3 respondents, we analyzed that they have a positive feedback from the website. For example, they say that the website is easy to use, easy to navigate, and they have a good balance of text and image, the colors and the fonts is effective. So but in terms of the positive feedback, the respondent also has a usability concerns. For example, respondent 1 said that usability concern about the website is enhanced product review with detailed reviews, photos, and sentiment analysis. Next is the limitation and recommendation. So the limitation for this website is that the user encounter difficulties with specific categories such as the types of the food, the accommodation, hindering the detailed travel planning. And the recommendation is implement robust category specific search capability to improve search functionality, ensure inconsistent persistence of selected filter across all website sections, and the last recommendation is enhance product reviews with detailed insight, photos, and sentiment analysis to enrich user decision making and engagement.
In conclusion, Labuan Voyages highlights Labuan Island's charm but faces challenges like poor navigation and lack of user reviews. Addressing these issues is crucial for improving user experience and enhancing Labuan's appeal, fostering economic growth, and reinforcing its status as the Pearl of Borneo, improving navigation, interactivity, and integrating user reviews will create a more engaging and reliable platform for all users.